Hello, dear friends. Would you like to look 30 at 60? These powerful anti-aging recipes smooth wrinkles and tighten the skin, even at 70. Coconut oil is the star of today's video. It deeply nourishes, moisturizes, and supports collagen, keeping your skin soft, elastic, and glowing. For the best effect, use one recipe 2 to 3 times a week, then move to the next one. First recipe. Take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Add 1 egg yolk. It nourishes, tones, and softens the skin. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty secrets. Then add half a teaspoon of lemon juice. It brightens and evens skin tone. Benefit: this mask rejuvenates, removes dullness, and gives a fresh, radiant glow. How to use: apply to your face, neck, and décolleté using gentle circular motions. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool water to tone the skin. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, write in the comments which city you are watching us from. Second recipe: take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Add 1 teaspoon of Snail mucin gel. It deeply repairs, hydrates, and improves skin elasticity. Mask benefit: this night cream restores the skin barrier, smooths wrinkles, and gives a youthful, firm look. How to use: apply a thin layer to your clean face, neck, décolleté, and hands before bedtime. Leave overnight. Rinse with warm water in the morning and enjoy soft, glowing skin. Use daily as your natural night cream. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Third recipe: take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Add 1 egg white. It tightens the skin and minimizes fine lines. This mask firms, tones, and smooths your skin instantly. How to use: apply evenly on your face, neck, and hands with a brush or sponge. Leave for 15 minutes until slightly dry. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Moisturize after. For the best effect, use 2 to 3 times a week, then move to the next one. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Fourth recipe: take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. It reduces pigmentation and brightens the complexion. This mask improves tone, fights dark spots, and restores a healthy glow. How to use: apply the mixture to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool water. Moisturize after. Use twice a week for best results. Fifth recipe: Take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Add 1 tablespoon of activated charcoal. It deeply cleanses and detoxifies the skin. This mask removes impurities, unclogs pores, and leaves the skin smooth and fresh. How to use: apply evenly on your face, neck, and décolleté. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use once or twice a week. 6th recipe. Take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. It soothes and hydrates the skin. This cream calms irritation, restores moisture, and gives a natural glow. How to use: apply a thin layer to your clean face, neck, décolleté, and hands before bedtime. Leave overnight. Rinse with warm water in the morning and enjoy soft, glowing skin. Use daily as your natural night cream. Final words: you can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. Thanks for watching.